Let's learn about some of the concepts related to the planning data model and how to create that. Means there are some theoretical concepts which we are going to cover in this video. Creating planning model, because whenever we wanted to do planning model and then we wanted to build some dashboards or stories, then for planning related we need to consider the planning model. So planning model allows to do everything analytic models do. However, they give more control with the data, such as setting up budgets and forecasts. So budgets and forecasts are the important part. Apart from what analytical models is doing, all these things can be done by planning model. However, there is additional setting budgets and forecast, which can create own versions of data model and copying, pasting data and using spreading or distribution and allocating features. So this is important thing to understand what is planning model does. Apart means budgets and forecasts are important part which are additional to that analytical models. Planning phases means how far into the past and how far into the future. That is what we wanted to see. Means what are the time settings that we need to specify. Means that is important. Means whether we need to go for the next 3 years or just 1 year or just or 5 years or more than that as well. So that comes under the settings for time. So time category is very important to consider planning phases, and in time as well you can say granularity, where year, quarter, month and day are we need to give. What are the different categories or standard categories available for planning? So actual, which comes as actual values. Budget will be how much is allowed to spend. That means whatever the estimated budget for any business to run, there is some budget amounts decided by the business management. So that amount will be specified in the budget. Planning will be what is the goal. Means what is the goal. Means how far you want to go for next 1 year, next 3 year, or next 5 years. Then what is forecast? Forecast is comes about the expectations. So what could be the expectation of the financial data? Means based on the actual data, what could be the forecast? And rolling forecast will be range of back or forward. Means it can be forecast related to the forward or backward, just for our analysis purpose. What is the difference between analytic model versus planning model? In this we can see analytical model runs on live or imported data. Planning model requires data to be acquired. We cannot directly connect to the live database or data source in the planning model. Then in analytic model, we do not need category or time dimensions. However, in planning model, we do need account, category and time dimensions which are required, because that all depends upon these categories only when we say planning. No additional categories required in analytic model. Additional categories may required or are required in the planning model. Calculation of measures by formula. And in planning model, adjust or extend the data by planning functions. So there are some planning functions which are used or which required. So that comes in planning model. Analytical model can can share their dimension. In planning model, we cannot do use. We need to use the private versions. And the last one is data loaded by scheduling, refresh or mapping. However, in planning model, we need to import or export data to SAP BPC standard. So these were the some of the concepts into the planning model. We will see practically as well about this. If you have any questions, then please put it in comment section. If you like my video, then please like it and subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you for watching.